back in Carthage.
Back in Carthage, he said. Snow's coming down. It's very cold. Feel that wind come in.
Stockade, you don't see them anymore. Quarter mile.
Brights on it, doesn't he?
Huh?
That car's got his brights on.
Yep. They're pulling you.
He wants you to be able to see him.
Now it's like you can't see, won't see nothing else ever.
After 1,000 feet, turn left onto North Francis Street.
96.
That sirloin stockade he was talking about. He's got better eyes than I do. At least seeing a long ways off. I'm a little bit better at seeing reading, although I need a little bit of a reading help now.
Now turn left. After 1 mile, turn right.
When you're loaded in a big truck, it's much better. Keeps you more on the ground than when you're empty.
I'm empty.
And we're empty right now, so we have to be more careful.
Speed limit is 30, I'm doing 25.
Yeah, speed limit is 30, he said, and he's doing 25. That barn house, that's pretty cool. Snow is coming down. This road is slick. It says yes, it's slick. There's a little river right here, right next to. He said it's called Spring Creek. We have a Spring Creek in Oklahoma. Oh, okay, Spring River. Oh, the GPS. Yeah.
Turn to the left right here. We'll go back that way. Looks like we're going down.
After 1,000 feet,
We're going
turn
into
right
the
onto
caves.
West Java Street.
The caves.
Yep. The caves in Carthage.
Oh, we're going into the caves?
Yep.
Oh,
Looks like it. Maybe not.
okay.
We're turning here. Because the caves are just on this hill.
I don't know if you've ever
300 feet.
heard of the caves in Carthage, but there are caves at...
Marigold right there. Yep,
Now
we're going
turn
through
right.
the caves.
Ooh. That's cool. I'm gonna keep it going
Nope,
for you guys.
I'm not
No.
turning there. I'm going up here. South entrance.
No
Going to the
trespassing.
cave.
After a quarter of a mile, you will reach your destination.
I know I will.
Get up here. South entrance. I usually cut it off by 7 minutes, but we're gonna see if we're gonna go to the caves.
Oh, I gotta stop here and check in everything. I'm in here 15, 20 minutes.
Okay. Going into the south entrance here, Civil War Road. But I think this would be a cool thing if we are going to the caves. I don't know who has been in the caves. Truck drivers get to sometimes go to these caves. They're huge here in Carthage. But
St. Louis has them. Kansas City has them.
here's some hilly. Anyway, I might have to do 2 videos here.
Go on, kill it. It won't take me a minute. Come on.
But yeah, this is a entrance to Americold. We've got some trucks waiting. Some big machines going up there. Oh, there's a salt truck up there on that hill or something. I don't know if you can see it. That truck's moving, but it's above on that hill. You should be able to see it. But snow is coming down so much, it's also making it kind of dreary and foggy because of the snow. Very interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here, and I'll start again in a little bit.